The install is not the finish line, it's a starting in the real business. Most people think installing the ATM is hard part, but it's not. That's where the real learning starts. Because before we install, everything is theoretical. You're planning, you're buying, you're negotiating, you're setting up things. But after install, the business is where it really starts. And it starts talking back to you. And this is where most beginners get it wrong. They think they know if it's the right way, if it's a good machine. They think the hard part is over. It's not. This is where you either start building a real business or you start making emotional decisions. So in this video, we're going to walk you through what actually happens after your first machine goes live and what you should be paying attention to if you want to turn one machine into a real system. Before we get into it, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell, because everything on this channel is about building real cash flow assets, not just hype. The first few weeks are about observation, not emotion. A lot of beginners install the machine and immediately start overreacting to the numbers. They want instant proof. They want immediate violation. They want to know if they picked the real winner. That's too emotional. The first phase is data collection. What you want to understand is how customers are actually using the machine. You want to see if real cash demand is showing up. You want to watch how the location behaves versus what you expect. And you want to make sure that the machine is really clean and running without any issues. You're not judging, you're learning. Second, test your system. Anyone can place a machine. What matters is what happens when real life shows up. Do you have the bank side set up correctly? Do you understand your cash flow? Do you know how to monitor the machine consistently? Do you support even if it breaks? Do you have real visibility into performance? That's the difference between placing an ATM and building a real ATM business. Third, your relationship with the location gets real after the install. Before the machine is live, it's just a conversation and an agreement. After the install, the owner starts judging your operation. Are you showing up on time? Are you communicating well? Do you keep the machine running? Do you solve problems quickly? Do you look like someone who knows what they're doing? Because one strong location relationship can turn into multiples because they're going to refer you to other customers. Fourth, is there a real bottleneck? And what is it? A lot of people think scaling means buying more machines fast. Not yet. First, you need to identify what part of your setup is weak. You need to confirm if the location is actually as strong as you think it is. You need to make sure your background is clean. You need to decide if this machine is worth repeating the model. You don't scale confusion, you fix it. You're at a stage right now that you want a full roadmap from the first machine to scaling. The course below walks you through the entire system step by step. If you want to build an ATM business the right way, check out our course below. And if you're still in the early decision stage, grab the free checklist and start taking action. Thank you guys very much, and we'll see you at the next ATM Mastermind video.